will you please introduce yourself?
Hello, good morning, and sir and madam. I am Gina Pilongo, 29 years old, single, and residing at the house of Mr. and Mrs. Barcelo, and Novaliches, Caloocan City.
Will you please tell me about your work experience?
I work at 2004 to 2006 at the residence of Mr. Abdullah Saad since May until May of 2006.
How many children did you take care?
I take care of 4 adults and 1 children.
How big is your employer's house?
2,000 square flat.
Were you the only helper at home?
I am only one working at the house.
What are your duties and responsibilities as a housemaid?
I am working in the house as cleaning, cooking, tidying for the dress, ironing, washing clothes, and cooking.
Do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, I know how to take care of the baby, a newborn, feeding milk every 3 to 4 hours, burping the baby after feeding, change diaper, send the baby to sleep by singing lullaby.
Can you sing a simple children's song?
Yes, I can sing a children's song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
What if your employer's baby crying for a long time? What will you do?
I will check the diaper if it is wet, or I will check if the baby is angry. But if the baby is still crying, then I will inform my employer that their baby is crying for a long time already.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly or an aged person?
Yes, I am willing. Yes, madam. I am willing to take care of an elderly person. Since I have my grandparents, I take care of them like my special one by helping them to take care of food and medicine.
How would you handle naughty children?
I would handle naughty children by being friendly and playful with them, so I could get their attention. I see with them, teach the good manners and right conduct, reading books together, and giving them love and care.
Do you know how to cook?
I know how to cook Filipino food like tinola, sinigang, and many others. I also know how to cook simple Chinese food like steamed fish, fried rice, noodles, soup, and very much willing to learn more.
Can you operate electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to operate electric appliances like washing machine, vacuum cleaner, floor polisher, oven toaster, microwave, and so many others.
Most of the employers in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn their language?
Yes, ma'am. I am very much interested to learn Cantonese language so that I can fully understand my employers, especially to the elders' family.
Your duties in Hong Kong will be doing all the household chores at the same time taking care of children. How could you handle the situation?
First, I will make sure that the employer's children are safe. Please, by putting them into the crib or by giving them some toys to play. Then, I will continue doing my works.
What if during your day off, then your employer asks you not to take your day off because we have visitors? What will you do?
I will not take my day off. Instead, I will stay and serve my employers together with their visitors' need.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of a high salary given to the domestic helpers to which I can help and support my family to provide their needs in the financial matters.
Would you like to say something to your prospective employer?
Sir, madam, I will give the opportunity to work as your helper. I promise that I will work hard, be obedient, loyal, and trustworthy. I promise to finish my 2 years contract without causing any problems. Thank you, sir, madam, and God bless you.